Now, every time you sequence a MIDI part or multiple MIDI parts, that data is saved in the Fantom-G as something called a phrase. And phrases in the Fantom-G all reside within the Fantom-G's phrase list. The phrase list is like a library or an archive of all the phrases that you're working on within your Fantom-G project. So this gives you a lot of ways to get creative with your song arrangements or create different arrangements of the same song. So to illustrate phrases within the Fantom-G, I'm going to record 6 phrases, one right after the other. And then from those 6 phrases, I'm going to use those as a foundation for a song and build up a whole song arrangement. And I'll also show the difference between copying phrases and duplicating phrases. So let's begin. Let's start off by recording a 2-bar drum pattern. And now for my next part, I'll record a very simple bass line. For my next part, I'm going to record a guitar part. And for my next part, I'm going to record a string pad. And then for my last part, I'm going to record a synth lead. So now I have my 6 phrases recorded. And this is going to be the foundation of my song. And if I click F3 phrase list, all of my phrases can be seen within the list. So phrase number 1 is my drums. Phrase number 2, my second drum pattern. Phrase number 4, my bass. Phrase number 5 is my guitar. Phrase number 6, my pad, and phrase number 7. Now if I want to stay organized, I can go to Save and I can name all the phrases. So now I've named all my phrases that are part of my song. And if I go back to Song Play, I can go back and I can delete all the phrases out of the playlist of my song. And when I delete the phrases are simply being removed from my song arrangement. Remember, my phrases reside in my phrase list. The phrase list always archives your phrases in one central location within your project. So my drums, my bass, my guitar, etc. So now, let's insert the phrases into my arrangement and we'll build up a whole song just from those 6 phrases. So I'm going to start off with my guitar. I'll go to Song Edit, Insert, go to my guitar phrase, and insert that into my song. And then I'm going to copy the phrase over 2 more bars. And remember, when I copy a phrase, that's not actually duplicating the phrase. All it's doing is it's creating a mirror or an alias that's referencing, once again, the phrases that are here in the phrase list. And then against the guitar part, I'll put one of my drum patterns. Insert, open up my phrase list, and insert the drum pattern, and I'll copy that. And this is going to be the intro of my song. So I'll add one more part to the intro at bar number 3, which will be my synth pad. And so here's my intro. And then at bar 5, that'll be the start of my verse. So, here's my song arrangement thus far.